So Vim is a simple way to use your keyboard instead of using your mouse. Now I'm going to teach you how to use it in VS Code today. To get the Vim from VS Code should be vscode.vim. Maybe 3 million downloads by the time you're watching this. For me, it's 2,700,000 ish. So then there's a bunch of stuff, but I'll teach you the basics. So let's go to this repo's readme.md. So now we have a little cursor at the very beginning of the file. Now what do we do? It's a block, so let's try typing hello. That surely didn't work. So let's go and try again. To type, you can either use I, capital I, A, or capital A. So let's use the H, J, K, and L keys to move to the center of the line. J and K will move you up for J, K for down. K for up, J for down. K up, J down. Now, H will move you, will move you to the right, and H moves you to the left. So now, we still can't type. We're going to use those key bindings we just talked about. So let's start with I. You see my little blocky cursor? The character to the left of that is what I'll start typing if I hit I. The opposite will happen if I hit A. Now, we're currently in edit mode. To go back into normal mode, the mode we started in, escape. We'll go on to the letter to the left of my cursor. So currently to the left of my cursor is E, push escape, we're highlighting E. Now, the shift does this based on the line. So shift I goes to the beginning, shift A goes to the end. Very simple. So now let's go down. And let's add the NPM area. So we're going to go to this line, and we're going to go A, and start typing, just as you normally would. Let's add the TypeScript. So we're going to go ahead, and I want to copy and paste the lines from above. So what should I do? Let's use K to go up. V is visual. So Shift V selects the entire line. And if you just push V, you can use the previously mentioned key bindings. So V or Shift V to select the line. Now we want to copy it. So it's Y for copy, C for cut, P for paste. Okay. So, by the way, you can also use the arrow keys. So let's just go in I. We don't actually have to go into insert mode. We just type P. Doesn't work because I clearly didn't copy it. So, Shift V and yank. We're going to yank. That's how I remember it. We're going to put. Now, if we double tap D to delete the line, we have it. So let's skip words. E to go forward through words. P to go backward. We have this thing selected. We're going to go into Shift V. No, just V and push B. Now we type X to delete, I to enter, bracket, and use the arrow keys to navigate and type TypeScript. We've successfully moved this. So then again, that's Shift V to go into visual mode and copy, Shift V to go into visual mode and select the whole line, Y to copy, P to paste, E and V to move forward and backward between words, and I forget what else I said. Now we will go to the end of the line. Simplest way is to just push enter. Dollar sign. Beginning is enter. Very simple. We can just go back and forth. So now let's do this again. K to kick the ball up. Shift V to select the line. Y to yank. J to jump down, Shift A to go to the end of the line, double tap enter, escape. Then we want to type P for put. You can go here to this parentheses, type E, B. So that skips words. We push V to go into visual and tap E. Now type X and it's yanked. Type I for insert. Type I'm going to do TS slash TypeScript.ts. Now successfully updated everything. And that's just about it. So now we can just tap double D to clean things up. That's just about all you'll need to know. Those are most of the modes. So I for insert, V for visual, and then push escape to go in any of those insert or visual mode to go into normal mode. But you can use this key bindings. Now let's talk about a few miscellaneous things. So let's say it's now called, I don't know, let's say we name the channel to, let's say I found a spelling mistake. I spelled quickly wrong. I just missed one letter. Well, if I can navigate to quickly, somehow, okay, apparently it was one line. I never would have guessed. And I can just navigate to quickly, type R, type any letter like A, and it will replace. So I'm gonna place that very quickly. So that's it. So I think that's just about it. X would be delete from the insert that. And that's just about all you need to know. Now I'm going to touch my mouse again, and we added this whole section and did a lot more, and I never touched my mouse once. This is Uncodable signing out.